Hello you guys, my name is Kyle. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful recipe on Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment for this series. I'm going to be making jam marble cheesecake brownies. Now the first thing, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven needs to preheat it right now. I already take out 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I just overlap it with aluminum foil. It doesn't get sticking on the bottom, and I spray it with non-stick cooking spray. You want to prepare the brownie mix. Choose any brownie mix that you want, any flavor of that. Today I'm going to be using the chewy fudge brownie mix, 13 by 9 family size. This is one of the brand name, again, the Baker's Corner. You're going to take out with water, vegetable oil. I'm going to be using canola oil and eggs. You're going to break it. I'm going to use it with a whisk. And now I can throw it in the brownie mix. Hold on, let me just get a look at the whisk. Now we're just going to put it into the prepared pan. Then we grease it with cooking spray and overlap it with aluminum foil. Then we're going to spread it over. I'm going to use it with a rubber spatula to scrape it on this side, on the edge of that. Get everywhere going in the pan. Got the brownie batter, just spread it into the prepared pan. You're going to bake this according to the back of the box for the cook time. You just want to make sure to read it carefully. That's what it tells you for the box. I'm going to finish the rest of the ingredients to prepare for the cheesecake. The brownie is already done after 350. I just transfer it to 325 degrees. I let it cool for 10 minutes, making sure to read it on the back of the box. We're going to do for the cheesecake batter. Now in this separate bowl, I have 2 8-ounce packages of room temperature Philadelphia or original cream cheese. Into this combo, I put 2/3 cup of Brownie Layer sugar that I'm going to mix with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That helps the cheesecake will stays, it won't overflow. Cornstarch into the sugar. So let's put the sugar with the cornstarch into the cream cheese. I'm going to see how that goes with. Let's cream this. It's very light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add 2 large eggs. Make sure it's egg room temperature. I'm going to beat one at a time. Gonna make sure to scraping down the sides of the bowl. I'm also going to put 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Just gonna keep going. Get a smooth batter for the cheesecake. The cheesecake batter is ready to smooth on. I reserve half a cup of the batter and put it into the separate bowl for the next. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of strawberry jam. I'm just going to give this to a stir to vibrant flavor. You can smell the jam inside of the batter for the cheesecake. The brownies is cool. I'm going to pour the white cheesecake batter on top after it's just baked for first. I'm going to spread it over. And now I'm just going to use a spoon to drizzle with the strawberry cheesecake batter after it's just reserved. Or you can also use a spoon to give that dollop. Wow, look at that brighter. Then you want to give this to marbleize using with a toothpick. You could also use a bamboo skewer. This is going to make it look very fashionable of the cheesecake. So once after you just marbleize, we're going to return it back, and the oven has been already reduced the temperature to 325 degrees. We're going to bake this, I'm just going to guess about 40, 45 or 50 minutes. I'm going to see how that goes with. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Here we are, guys. I just guessed about 45 minutes. I reduced it for 325 degrees. I'm just going to let the cheesecake rest in the oven. We're going to leave the door open just a little bit at a time because it doesn't get cracks over on top. It will prevent. I'm going to see just what it looks. Now you get to put the cheesecake back into the oven while it's still hot. I turn it off. You're going to open the oven door. I'm going to use with the wooden spoon to hold like that. Just the wooden spoon to hold it very open. It doesn't get cracked over. And we're just going to let it rest for 1 hour. I'm just going to set the timer for 1 hour and I'll come back. After the cheesecake just rested in the oven that I just already turned off for 1 hour. Now I just already removing the wooden spoon off the oven door and I just took it out. So the next part we're going to cover with plastic wrap and we're going to refrigerate until it's set. I'm going to guess like about 30, 35, 40 or 45. It depends how much longer it takes for the in the fridge about the cheesecake. Once after resting, don't forget to cover some plastic wrap and we're going to refrigerate. When it's refrigerated, after I just guessed for 30 minutes, I remove some plastic wrap. Now you want to carefully lift it from the pan. Go and put it on the cutting board. Peel off the aluminum foil. And I'm going to cut it into squares. This is how it looks like that I cut it into 12 squares. Each of this plate, I did buy 2 of the plate. Now, as you can see, the strawberry jams, or actually, if you know what flavor of jam they want to use it for on the cheesecake to marbleize, you can use raspberry, blueberries, or what we have here, the peach, grape jelly, even the apricot. Hopefully it's going to be a fruity taste of the jam. But I prefer to choose with the strawberry one. So here it is. Jam marble cheesecake brownies. Hope you guys enjoy. You have to make sure to view always before sharing. Write me in the comments below if you want to write something. Just give me a big thumbs up for A1. And enjoy for the jam marble cheesecake. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.